So the pizza dough, that's the top, always on the top. The bottom is always bottom. Yeah. So now you dust some flour on top. So gently play. Yeah. So push the edge. So later the edge will very crispy and crust. So like this. See? Don't stick. So now you can do that. From this hand to another hand, stretch the dough. Yeah? So that your hand always in the edge here. Yeah? Okay, you do. Okay, so this is a very long pizza, it's okay. What's the pizza, Joey? Oval pizza, okay. Yeah, nice oval pizza. Hey friends, you are watching Help Chef channel. Let's try my perfect homemade pizza dough recipe. You can follow the easiest way and tips and tricks to make your own pizza at your home. But don't forget, my friend, please click the subscribe button. You will never miss my next cooking videos. So here is my pizza flour, and I got a warm water, and got a salt and yeast and some olive oil. So first you put the yeast in the water and salt. So mix. So make a hole. So put and put 3 tablespoons olive oil and slowly mix. So knead a little bit, always from outside, inside. For inside. So the pizza dough prepared. So we're leaving 20 to 30 minutes depending the room temperature. So if cold, leave a little bit longer. So I probably leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. So let it rise a little bit, and after that we separate into a dough, small, and then we leave it in the fridge until tomorrow. So we cook a pizza next day. That's the best result. So just cover up with a tea towel. So now prepare the dough into 8 pieces. Cut half. side. So put some flour in the bottom, so not gonna stick. So place the dough bit away, so give some room. So we'll rise again. So 4 pieces. So little bit on top. We'll wrap it up. Wrap it up properly. So leave in the fridge. So tomorrow cook the pizza. So the dough grows slowly. So now I got the pizza dough, so which is I mixed from yesterday. So now I'm going to cook. So now I take out the plastic, leaving outside room temperature for 20-30 minutes. So you can have a look. So pretty good, nice soft. So now I cover up, just leaving outside for 30 minutes. Just cross over, so leave the tip. So take out the tomato skin easily. Cover up. So just for 2 minutes. So that is the little tip, so you can peel out easily the skin. See, easily peel out. Just be careful, hot water. So very easy, take out the skin. So I have roughly quick chop some herbs, basil, parsley, and oregano. So fresh. So cook a little bit and more flavor. So I got a little bit garlic chop. So onion already chopped. So let's cook the sauce. So now add fresh herbs and garlic. So now add the tomato. So add a little bit black pepper. little pinch of sugar. Add a little bit salt. So now add the pasta sauce. So the sauce cook. So use a blender to. So the edge. So nice pizza dough. So basically you just do that, stretch the pizza dough. So beautiful. So we put it in the tray. So now I use one pan to cook the pizza dough base first. So we are here at the home, don't have pizza oven, not like a commercial kitchen. So how best way to do that? So this is the important tip. So we cook the base first, and much easier for you cook at the home. Look like exactly like a commercial kitchen cook the pizza. So I spray little oil, just little bit oil, so you can see really hot. Just cook the pizza first, the base. This. So add a little bit mozzarella cheese in the base. So capsicum. So you can put the topping whatever you like. Anything you want to put in your pizza. So small bocconcini cheese. So important is the pizza dough make nice. So baby bocconcini, beautiful. So couple leaf, oregano, fresh oregano. A couple of ham. So simple, easy. Little couple piece mozzarella cheese.
cheese. So you can some dried tomato, olives, some ham, so pretty simple, and cheese.
So now I put in the oven to bake them. So temperature is 220 degree